So Delhi right now and most parts of central India are burning because of the heat wave, and I'm longing a vacation. Well, since I've already applied for my leaves, I'm heading to the hills, but I'm sure you must be thinking, what's travel and the heat wave got to do with a tech channel? Well, this is more of a build-up to talk more about travel and tech, gadgets that you should be carrying with yourself while traveling. So let's take a look. First up on this list is one of my favorites, a power inverter for my car. You must have seen simple car chargers that let you plug USB devices into your car's battery, but this kind of device has AC outlets and USB as well. You can charge your laptop and power all sorts of electronic devices using the inverter. Vantro is one company that makes these inverter chargers, and they can be helpful while traveling. This model costs 2,499 rupees on Amazon. You can find LabCare, Septix and other brands on Amazon at similar prices with comparable features. Another gadget on this list is a mobile phone gimbal. Simply put, it compensates for minor shaking when you hold your phone in your hands in order to stabilize videos you are shooting. This can be a complete game changer in terms of video quality, giving you much smoother and more professional looking footage. Just pair the device with your phone, press that record button and document whatever you want in any situation. DJI's OM5 is a 3-axis smartphone gimbal stabilizer and is currently one of the best in the market. Do check out the link to our review in the description box. You could also consider the Zhiyun Smooth 5 for ultra smooth videos while traveling. Some of these gadgets can be really handy, but hang on, it's not the end of the list, there are still more to come. But before we proceed, you should definitely consider subscribing to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel if you like our content, and also remember to hit that like button if you are liking this video. Well, it's time to get back to the rest of the gadgets. You won't be in your car all the time. You might go for long hikes and walks, or simply be stuck somewhere with nowhere to plug your phone in when the battery is about to die. Portable power banks are inexpensive and can be lifesavers if you need to look up directions, confirm your itinerary, make urgent calls, or even just take photos. Xiaomi's Mi Power Bank has a 20,000 mAh battery capacity and supports 18-watt fast charging, making it broadly compatible with every USB-powered device. You can of course also go with lower capacity power banks that will be lighter and will cost less as well. Besides Xiaomi, Realme, OnePlus and Oppo have a good selection of power banks too that are worth checking out. And wait, if you are someone who wants to deal with fewer wires, you can opt for power banks with G wireless charging from Samsung and Xiaomi. If your idea of a vacation involves adventure sports or lots of outdoor activities, you might want to record a lot of video in potentially harsh conditions. Look out for the GoPro Hero 10 or DJI Action 2 for convenience and portability. These action cameras let you shoot in situations where your phone camera might not be practical or safe. They are light, waterproof and dustproof, but most importantly, they can be mounted to your body or vehicle, making it easy for you to shoot videos in different situations. The Horizon Steady feature of the DJI Action 2 keeps your frame level even as you move around. On the other hand, the GoPro Hero 10 offers great stabilization with the new Hyper Smooth 4.0 system. There are also more economical options in the market from companies such as SJ Cam, Cason and others. One simple but very useful gadget accessory is a mobile phone holder for your car. This will let you use your phone for navigation and communication while driving without getting distracted. One of the best options is the Spigen QS11 universal holder, which can grip any phone without compatibility issues. You can attach this to your car's AC vents for visibility, and it even lets you rotate your phone 360 degrees for perfect view, which will make driving safer and easier. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. And as for me, I'm headed for my own vacation because I cannot bear the heat anymore. As for you, if you are traveling in the next coming weeks, do remember to pack these gadgets with you. And as always, for everything tech, log on to gadgets360.com.